Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to draw in Google Docs. This is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First thing you will have to do is to click Insert right here and then click Drawing and New. Now this will open up this window where you can draw anything. You can create any shape, as you can see. You can create lines, arrows, elbow connectors, even scribble. So this is the close to drawing right here. Click on scribble and now you can draw whatever you would like here. So draw a house, draw a car, like so. And now when you are done, just simply press save and close to insert your drawing to Google Docs. This is how you can easily draw anything, and now if you want to move it, just select in front of text and then select fix position on page, and you can move it anywhere on the page you want. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.